In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Jeep Wrangler JK vent tailgate cover. This cover is high quality. It's packaged very, very well. You can see it here. Comes with some nice instructions and a little bit of hardware. There's not much to it. So if we take this out, you'll see the plate is very well made. It's got a great black coating on it, and it comes with the included hardware that you'll need to install it. One of the things that Rough Country is really great at is giving us high quality packaging and very easy to read instructions. I've put some of the Rough Country products on my Jeep, and I've been very happy with how easy it is to understand their instructions. So this has just been a unveiling video. If you have any questions, post them below and we'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching.